in recognition of their outstanding performance in the September 2025 bar examination, having earned the distinguished honor of being ranked among the top 4 performing schools nationwide. This remarkable achievement exemplifies the institution's unwavering commitment to academic excellence, transformative law education, and the continuous pursuit of professional competence and service to society. Given this 10th day of June 2026, at the College of Maasin City, of 50,000 pesos. With Ms. Marlene Lastra from Sugod, Southern Leyte. Monte de Ramos Luigi P. with Ms. Shane Justil J. Corpin from Barangay Mantahan, Maasin City, Southern Leyte, Leadership Awardee.